Hey everybody, welcome to my channel RC Fury and my temporary recording studio. In today's video, we're talking about the SCX 24 Deadbolt and why it's such a great vehicle for not only beginners but advanced RC enthusiasts too. This Deadbolt is very inexpensive for what you get as far as the vehicle goes. Only have two body clips to unhinge the body. It opens up like that and then it stays there. And then it's got the integrated ESC and receiver. And here's the battery. It lasts about 30 minutes for me, good half hour. And there's the motor there. I have this hot racing heatsink. They're hoping it'd save the motor because they do burn out fairly quickly, but I haven't had to replace any single part on here except for the motor. All the electronics are pretty good. It's got a super fast steering servo and fully locked differentials. Here I'm going to turn on the car. The transmitter is pretty cool. It's got the switch here, and then turn on the car, and then you got three modes: low, medium, and high. And you have different channels you can switch through: the steering trim, steering rate, and the bind button. There's also another upgrade that I have on here: the RC four-wheel drive steel rims. They're beadlock and they're nice and heavy to keep the center of gravity low. And I have the Axial Rock Lizard tires on there, which are very grippy. I personally love the way this body looks. They also have many different options if you're not a fan of this one. There's the 4Runner, the Deadbolt, and also they have this Jeep, the C10 Power Wagon, the Bronco, and the Lexus. Alrighty, I'm gonna take this thing out to go for a test drive. Now here is my backyard rock crawler course. I built with pieces of chimney, hunks of concrete, some random junk, and a bunch of river rocks. It's primarily for my 1/10 scale vehicles, but it also is a lot of fun with the 1/24 scale too. Most 1/24 scale vehicles don't do too great in grass, but this one is an exception for sure.